I'm about to give you guys a secret sauce. Literally, this one tool that I put on my website, embedded it, increases lead conversion by 50%. And no one's doing it in digital marketing. Literally no one. I haven't seen this on anyone else's website. And it's honestly a lot more simple to set up than you think. Like, this video is going to take you so quick to go through and actually set this up. So let's just jump right into it. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set that up. So let me go into my computer and set this up. All right, y'all. Today's video is an absolute banger. We're going to be going over how to install this video chat widget inside of your website or inside of your landing page to massively increase conversions. Now, if you want to take a look at what I'm actually saying in this video, just feel free to go to my website. Please don't opt in or try to funnel hack it. There's really nothing to funnel hack because I'm going to show you guys everything in this video. So just go to my website up here and check this out. So if you click on this, you'll be able to see exactly how I was able to make this and convert at 50%. So let's jump into the software associated with this so you guys can see the secret sauce. It's going to be a quick video, but it's going to be very to the point and informative. So make sure you stick to the end because I go over some. All right, so what you guys are going to do is go to app.videoask.com and sign up for a free account. Again, this is free, you guys. So I'm bringing you guys the heat and you can put this on immediately. So what you're then going to do is create a new video ask. So start from scratch. Then you're going to call this your website name, right? Video chat. You want to make sure you collect the contact's details. Then you're going to do whatever your language is. Here's what you do. So you create a little 5 to 30-second video explaining who you are, who you help, and why your system is so great. And if you have a guarantee or anything around that, put that in. It's basically an offer, and make sure to have a call to action such as send me a video, audio, or text below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so you upload a video here, which I'm going to just quickly upload. All right, now once you have your video recorded just like this, what you're going to do is just skip. So you don't want to fit video, you don't want to overlay text. We're going to click skip. All right, now when your video is uploaded, there's so many different things you guys can do here, and you can get way more creative than me. I keep it open-ended, and I just respond to these through my sales team. So my sales team will reach back out to these leads and get them on a book call, but you could send them to a calendar. You could have them fill out a quiz. You could even do some AI chatbot stuff with this. So the possibilities are really endless, and this software is so cool. I'm going to select is open-ended. And literally, I'm just going to click done. If you want to edit the contact form here, you can, but I simply just put, name, email, phone number, and let's show this field just like that. Name, phone number, email, that's good. You can ask for consent if you want. I'm going to keep it basic. And country code, I'm going to do United States because we only work with people in the United States. And I'm going to click done. Okay. Once we're done here, we can hit preview to see how this video actually looks. Amazing. So this is what the video looks. So you can actually embed this as a standalone page, and you could run traffic to it if you want. You can do multiple choice quizzes, anything like that. But what I'm showing you guys in today's video is how to embed this as a chat widget. So what we're going to do here is click share, and we're going to click embed on website. And you can select here what you'd like as well. So either iframe or widget. I prefer a widget, and you guys can select your style and your color here as well. So what I'm going to do is a simple chat widget like this. You can even change the style to be a square, anything like that. What you want to do is preview this and make sure it looks good for whatever you are doing. After we do that, we're simply going to copy this embed code that it gives you right here. Change the color again if you want. I don't like to put any overlay text on it, but you can do that as well. And then you're simply going to go into your funnel or your website builder and paste this in the header section. That way it shows up on your funnel. And let's see what that's going to look like right now. All right, so go into your funnel builder or your website builder and literally paste the embed code that you got. Once you do that, just click back, and all you're going to do is preview this to make sure that it's working. Let's go back to this. And we're simply going to click view page here. And what you're going to see is the pop-up happen in the bottom right. This is your video ask, guys. So this is so cool. So now your clients, your potential clients and customers can come in here and text, send you an audio recording or a video recording, and you can have full conversations with them in the tool. You can use things like Zapier, you can use the AI feature, you can use ChatGPT, and you can have this all automated. Now, if you guys like this video, comment below, let me know what you want me to do a video on next. There's tons of these little software hacks that I've been using since I started my digital marketing agency, and they've helped out so much. So my idea for you guys is to implement this into your websites ASAP, and let me know in the comments your results. Thank you guys so much for watching this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video training.